Hello and good day. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a listing on Offerup. So what you want to do first is log on to your Offerup app and then click on post on the bottom right hand side. Now, when you click on post, it's actually going to auto-populate any unfinished listings that you were in the middle of actually making. So in this case, what we'll actually do is that we'll actually go ahead and delete this title and then we'll say yoga wheels. And then we'll just use test as the description. Now you can either take a photo or you can actually select a photo. So what I do is I actually go ahead and take photos with my camera before actually creating the listing. So let's do select photo. So you do need to give Offerup access. Select more photos. And then here I'm going to select these two photos that I have taken before, and then we'll click on done. Now, when you actually do that, it's going to take some time to actually upload those photos. We'll try it again. Click on done, and then click on next. Now, you can insert your category. You can insert a subcategory. I normally only ever input the category and then the condition of the item. So I'll say brand new and then click on next. I'll set the price to $60. Usually I'm never firm on the price, so I'll usually be able to negotiate with other viewers. Then click on next. Now what's going to happen here is that you could actually choose to sell and ship nationwide. This more so depends if you actually know how to ship your product and if you have product boxes and such. I'll usually tick this off though, just because I don't want to have to deal with shipping. There are some times when I have products and they're already inside boxes, which makes shipping a lot easier. So in that case, I'll actually toggle it on. And then I'll just choose the appropriate box size. So they have some guidelines here for you as far as extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. But we'll turn that off though, and then afterwards just click on post, and there you have it. Now that is how you create a listing on Offerup. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks very much for watching.